pressure kwa wananchi kwamba the situation of, I can say political temperatures because of the impeachment of Gachagua. Me, I can say that first of all, today the court has ruled kwamba Justice Deputy CJ Dr. Mwilu alikuwa sawa constitute that 3-bench judge, which of course I agree with him. We agree with the court. Hiyo ni sawa. Lakini tunasema hivi, hata kienda hivyo ijamaanisha kwamba inaweza saidia Gachagua deputy president ama inaweza fanya nini, because mi kidogo naelewa sheria kidogo. Sheria ni kama wembe, inaweza kata both sides. Hata uliona kwa Biblia ilisemekana kwamba Jesus Christ, judge alisema kwamba, Pilate alisema kwamba hajaona makosa Jesus amefanya, lakini baada alifanya nini? Baada alikuwa crucified. So hata pia hii court pia inaweza ona kwamba Gachagua hakufanya makosa, so baada fanya nini? Baada atakuwa impeach. So sheria inakonga hivyo. So kitu ya pili nasema hivi, hizo shida zote tunakuwa kama sisi wa Kenya, kama sana sisi kama wa Kenya guys, tunafanya political hygiene. Na hii political hygiene ndio sahihi iko, ndio inafanya watu tukua na this kind of temperature in our country. Kwa sababu nasema hivi, kuna ubinafsi kwa nchi yetu. Kuna so long as it doesn't concern you, or you don't care. Kama hata hiyo kitu inakuuma na you are not part of it, you don't care. So that's why nasema hivi, my fellow Kenyans, it's high time we do a good political hygiene to our political system, whereby let's elect people who can give you service. We just want service delivery. Me, for right now, I don't care who is going to be the president, who is going to be the deputy president. Me, what I want, service delivery. Just recent, tuliona kama sahi wameweka energy mingi kwa Gachagua atolewe. Na jana mliona the Federation of CAF, Kenya, Football Federation ya Africa, nitonga CAF, walikuja hapa Kasarani, wakapata kumbe ile nyazi tulikuwa tumepea pale ni nyazi zile ya it doesn't meet standard ya football, because we are going to host Africa Cup of Nations. Na sasa imagine hiyo, kuna tenda, mtu alipewa tenda na kaambiwa we want this type of grass ile kwa standard, na alipiga budget, na hiyo nyazi sasa inatolewa. That is the waste of human taxpayers money. So vitu kama hizo vitu waoni, wanaangalia tu ya impeachment ya Gachagua. Kitu kingine pia nimeona which also I don't know whether, but I will confirm kwamba nimeona kwa social media ati all the pastors ikifika Friday watapeleka support kwa OCS. Hiyo nimependa sana. Hiyo ndio furaha yangu sasa. Kitu naenda ku preach on Saturday ama on Sunday, kupeleka kwa OCS pia achambue kidogo ndio pewe waende preach. Hiyo nimependa vitu kama hizo. Hizo ndio ring nataka. So I'll go so nitaenda confirm kama it is true ama hizo mambo yetu ya social media. So exactly. And some churches nimeona hapa Kiambu wanasema kwamba wameanza kuwa intimidated na the government kwamba this is very bad because tunajonga we have the freedom of worship, ama hiyo ilibadilishwa kwa katiba, imeenda na impeachment ya Gachagua. So yes, everything right now, what I'm trying to say, anything decision that government is making or the cabinet is making, it should be on space so that we also listen to it, because ni kama saa zingine hapo hiyo kitu wanaficha meeting ya cabinet meetings kwa State House ni kama bangi. Tunataka kama these things that concern us kama sisi wananchi, hiyo cabinet meetings always kama wanataka kuweka policies ikuwa on public space, kuna kitu ndoga X ndio pia tusikie wana discuss nini, because kuna bili zingine wanapitisha hapo hatuelewi ni kama hao watu wamerogwa au nini. So that's why nasema hivi, mimi nasema hivi, my fellow Kenyans, it is high time na pia let's the political class take advantage over Rigathi Gachagua, because Rigathi Gachagua is a one-term MP, hajakuwa na experience. So kama hiyo experience yake hana kidogo, ndio mnafanya muangaisha hivi, because angekuwa big stars kama like the other people last time, hii mambo ingemwendea vile inamwendea. But nasema hivi, we don't care who is going to be the president, we don't care who is going to be the MP, MCA, women rep, senator. We just want service delivery for all Kenyans. Ukuwa ni kabila fulani, ukuwa ni from which religious, ukuwa from which tribe, we don't care. So that's why nataka tu government tupate service, because people of Kenya are really suffering because of the hali ya uchumi imekuwa juu. So mimi kama mbunge wa Karatina representing People's Assembly, I'll write a letter to the president, kama anaweza kubali atupunguzie gharama ya maisha, irudi chini kabisa, ongeza hata bei hizo vitu zingine, but be the basic ones kama like education, food and health, tafadhali atupunguzie. Asanteni sana.
members of the Fourth Estate. My name is Kiari Kenneth, KK. I just want to give some few points regarding the issue of the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua. Nataka niseme we are very disappointed with this government for disrespecting the democracy of this country. Hawezi sema tuko na democracy yet wewe unasema you are the first fighter of democracy of Kenya, yet wewe ni wewe unaipiga mrango wa nyuma. The state is under capture. You have seen the legislature is under capture, and judiciary now is the new they have been also captured by the state, by the government, na hii ni kitu ngumu sana kwa Wakenya. The point that we cannot be able to have organs fighting for our rights. Kama mtu kama Gachagua ambaye ni deputy president, tunaona kabisa tunadanganywa pale kotini, anaibiwa tunaona kila kitu venye inafanywa hadi na judiciary. The only hope Kenyans had to see that there is right at the end of the day. But unfortunately, kitu tumeona ni kitu ya ajabu, ni kitu ya kufanya watu wengi sana wakashikwa na kushtuka sana, because whatever has happened there is out of order and it is disrespect to the democracy of this country. Secondly, I want to say, according to the Constitution of Kenya, the person who should assign judges for special sitting, like for that one for impeachment or special motion of the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, should be appointed by the Chief Justice. But at this moment, we have seen that it has been appointed by the Deputy Chief Justice. It's like the way the president is the commander of the armed forces. He doesn't share that role with anybody. How comes today he cannot share that role with Deputy President, who is Rigathi Gachagua? Rigathi Gachagua cannot be the commander-in-chief of Defense Forces. The commander-in-chief of the Defense Forces is William Samoei Ruto. Why comes now that the Deputy Chief Justice is taking the role of the Chief Justice? Well, the Chief Justice is there sitting. Why don't you want to give justice to Kenyans? Kenyans who woke up early to vote for Rigathi Gachagua. Why don't you want to give them justice? Why do you want to show us that this country, the rule of law, has been put down? Why do you want to put down the democracy of this country? Kazi yenyu ni kufinya tu na kufinyilia kabisa. We want to say and categorically state this, that this nation needs a revolution to take it out of state capture. Because whatever President Ruto is trying to bring across is that he wants to be president for life. Anataka kuwa yeye ndiye president wetu for life. Bringing a motion where you want to rule to be the presidential term to be added to 7 years. To me, I find it's a way to treat Kenyans. He will serve these 5 years first, and then because there will be a new amendment of 7 years, he will serve another 14 years. We will be under oppression for 14 years. Our democracy will be at stake for 14 years, plus these 5 years that he has already started oppressing us. So it means William Ruto might rule this country for 19 years. And you don't know that in 19 years, if he is going to add more years to himself. So I just want to call to each and every Kenyan, tusikubali na tusiwape any opportunity ya kutukandamiza. Let us stand for our rights whenever you are called upon, or whenever there is something that is there to fight for our democracy. Be the first one to stand and say no to these impunitive actions being taken by the government. And finally, I want to call upon every Kenyan, let us keep peace, but even as we keep peace, let us put into consideration that this is our country and our forefathers fought for it, and we will not allow few people to take an advantage to radicalize us with their evil ways, to change our ways and make us slaves in our own nation. We won't allow some few members of parliament who have been bribed by the executive to take roles and to be captured, not to represent the people they are meant to represent. As I speak, I just want to say, Kenyans, let us stay alert and not accept this kind of directions that this impunitive government is trying to take us through. And as I conclude, I just want to say thank you, and until we meet next time. Asante.